Hello everyone, this is Melissa. Welcome to join Prostar online show. Nice to meet you. So today I will introduce all kinds of flexible conduit in our company and its connectors you can see. And we have galvanized flexible conduit and liquid-tied flexible conduit and PVC flexible conduit and non-metallic and corrugated flexible conduit, and the size from 3/8 inch to 4 inch. Based on your applications, you can choose the one best works for you. The first, let us start from galvanized flexible conduit. To adapt different national market requirement, we also have economic type and heavy duty for your choosing. The heavy duty we have already got UL approval, and you can find our certificate in the UL website. So you can see the galvanized flexible conduit can be easily bent and pass through walls effortlessly. So the two connectors are its fit connectors, 90-degree and straight. They are all made of zinc die cast. And for the connectors, we also have UL certificate. So how to install the connectors with the flexible conduit? Now let me show you. So you just put the conduit into the connectors. Then use the screwdriver to secure it. By tightening the screws, that's easy, just okay. Very simple, right? So next is liquid-tied flexible conduit. The liquid-tied flexible conduit, outside is PVC jacket and inside is galvanized steel and with its filler of corn. This construction provides excellent impact and crush strength while remaining highly flexible. And its face connector also have 90-degree and straight. These two are made of zinc die cast and it with insulate in it. Besides, we also have malleable iron type. This one is straight and this one is 90-degree, and we also have 45-degree. Also, if you need the grinding rod, you can see it's also available. So let me show you how to install with the connector. First, you can take the connector apart. The bushing, the watertight gland, and the ferrule. Then the connector itself. So first, you taking the bushing onto the slid onto the connector conduit and the watertight gland. Then the ferrule you should thread into it. Thread into it, and then tighten the bushings and onto the connector. Or you can use tools to tighten it a little bit down. So it's okay. You can see, right? Simple. The 90-degree install the same as it. So for the liquid-tied flexible conduit, we also have black color, and compared with it, we also have PVC coated flexible conduit. For PVC coated flexible conduit, its inside is the same as galvanized steel, but it's no filler or coil in it. You can see the PVC flexible conduit will be more frequently bending than the liquid-tied flexible conduit, and the moving applications than liquid-tied conduit. Also, we have gray color, and you can see the print on the conduit. So its connectors, we have DPG, DNG, DWG. These three are used for connecting flexible conduit to box. So this one is straight, and this one is 49 degree. This one is 90 degree. And this one is DPN. This one is flexible conduit to threaded conduit. So it's threading it. And this one is DKG type. This one is for flexible conduit to flexible conduit. It should be threaded by the ferrule. And this DGJ is for flexible. This one is for flexible conduit to steel conduit. So the screw should tighten with the steel conduit. And the DGJ is for flexible conduit to flexible conduit. For all these connectors, we have two shapes. You can do this one shape and this one shape. It's different. So next I will show you non-metallic liquid-tied flexible conduit. So this one is used for both inside and outside installations. And these two are its connectors, 90 degree and straight type. So about how to install with the connectors, it's more simple. You just loosen the bushing. You don't need to have to take this apart. You just loosen the bushing. Then push into the conduit and tighten it up. It's okay. And the same, the 90 degree, you can just loosen it and push, then tighten. For the non-metallic liquid-tied, we also have a new product. This one, non-metallic liquid-tied whips. This is come completely pre-assembled and ready to install. The end with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. One end with straight connector and the other end with 90 degree connector. For the connectors, they have non-metallic type. Also, you can choose zinc type die-cast 2 types. Inside the conduit, there are 3 pieces of walls. The largest is for 4 feet and 6 feet for your choosing. You can choose. This is our new product. Beside this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of flexible conduit. We also have corrugated flexible conduit. For this conduit, we have the FPA6 and PA6, PE and PP type. For your choosing, you can choose. And you also can see we have many connectors for you. So also I'll show you our catalog, and you can find all the types of flexible conduits I have introduced to you. This part from this is flexible conduit. So the galvanized conduit, you can see the size and the specification and the connector. So the liquid tight flexible conduit and its connector, you can all find it on our catalog. So all kinds of malleable iron type. And the non-metallic type, you all can find in our catalog. So you can see all kinds of connectors for PVC coated flexible conduit. So for the conduit, we usually pack onto with 30 meters or 15 meters legends into a row. I'll show you. We usually packing like this. Or if you need cartons, we also pack, but usually we pack like this. So for the flexible conduit, do you have any questions? You can contact us on Alibaba, or you can visit our website. Now I'll show you the details. The bushing, the watertight gland, and the spiral, and the connector itself. So malleable iron type. The grounding lock, and the PVC. Two shape of connectors. non-metallic. I'll show you again. Just loosen and push and tighten up. So this all our flexible conduit. If you have any demand, you can contact us directly. Besides, we also have all kinds of American standard products. You can visit our website, or if you have interest, you can contact us on Alibaba. We will any sales you can choose, and we will show you our catalog and the links. So, any questions? Okay, so I'll finish here. Bye bye. Thanks for your patience. Bye bye.